Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Kaylene Joseph. I'm a manual osteopath and the clinic owner of Happy Bones Osteopathy and Wellness Clinic located in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today we're going to focus on building shoulder strength to be able to hold on to our posture with ease. So if you're at home and you're sitting at the computer a lot or you're on your phone a lot, this is for you. Add it into your routine. We're going to go through 3 easy exercises to help you build that strength, wake up those muscles in the back, and really start creating a good connection between the brain and the body, how to keep the shoulders back without having to think about it all the time. So here we go, guys. Stay tuned. Let's get to it. Here we are. Exercise number 1. It has 3 parts to it. It's called T's, Y's, and I's. And if you've ever come to me for shoulder issues, you know that I have prescribed this for you to do on a regular basis. And the reason why is because it really starts to train our muscle memory in our back into really squeezing those shoulder blades together, holding that theoretical pencil in between, and really engaging the rest of the body to start to train it to hold itself upright properly. So the first one we're going to do is the T. So the T is pretty simple, and we're going to hold these for 30 to 45 seconds each. One of each is good to go once a day or whatever suits your needs. So from here, we're going to bring our arms out to the side into a T, palms facing out. So while we're here, you want to be squeezing those shoulder blades together. Tune into your ribs. Make sure they're not flaring out. Make sure there's no back arch. Really gently engage your abdominals, squeezing the muscles in towards your belly button. Good. And squeezing those shoulder blades at the same time. Make sure your butt isn't sticking out, so everything has light contact with the wall behind you. This is your T. The shoulder blades are coming in together on your back. Now we're going to apply this same theory to the Y's and the I's. So when we go into our Y, obviously, we are coming up like this. So palms are still facing out. We're hugging those ribs in, gently engaging the abs, and we're squeezing those shoulder blades together, but pulling our shoulder blades down our back in an X-like direction. So you really feel those shoulder blades dropping away from your ears. And again, you're going to hold this for 30 to 45 seconds and really feel your muscles start to engage in all of these areas. Doesn't sound like a hard one, but trust me, when you're in it, it feels good. Feel all of that firing up. Good. Take a rest in between each one that you do. So last one, you guessed it, it's straight up and down. Again, palms are always facing out. Those shoulder blades are kissing together as if you're holding that pencil in between, and these shoulders are coming right down your back. So we're really focusing on dropping the shoulders away from the ears. We're engaging through the ribs, hugging them in. Good, engaging those abs and feeling that pelvis nice and sturdy. Both hips are facing forward and you're holding on to that one. So again, like I said, best thing to do for these is do one of each, 30 to 45 seconds, wherever you need. If you can only do 20, start there and start working your way up every week. I always say try this one 3 to 4 times a week or daily if you can, just to really focus in on that back shoulder area that we often forget about because a lot of people compensate from using the front of their shoulder. Give it a try. Let me know how it is in the comments below. All right, everyone. Exercise number 2. I like to call this one wall crawls. It does require a TheraBand, or you can even use a booty band. Make sure you play around with it to make sure that you have enough tension in the band. You can tie it a little tighter, you can double it around, whatever you need. But we're going to start with placing the band just above the elbow crease. So you're going to need wall space for this, and I'm going to turn around, and what we're going to do is you're going to place the whole of your forearm from the elbow all the way to the fingertips on the wall, so it's flush with the wall, and your arms are at a 90-degree angle. So once you start feeling the tension from the TheraBand, you're going to start to feel those shoulder blades fire up. So you really want to make sure that you have enough tension on that band. And while we're here, we are going to crawl 5 steps up, keeping that tension, keeping that squeeze in between the shoulder blades, and then we're going to come up 5 steps down. Good. This is a lot to think about all at once. Make sure elbow to fingertip contact stays on the wall with every crawl, and we're coming down. Good job, everyone. You feel that burn in between the shoulder blades. That's what we want. We want to wake up those muscles, be like, hey, we're here. We need you to support. We don't want to be forward anymore. That's exactly what we're doing. So give it a try. I like to do 5 up, 5 down, 3 or 4 times, and then move on with my day. All right. Exercise number 3, my friends. This one is really focusing on isolating the shoulder blade and moving it as a whole in our back. A lot of the time we forget that those shoulders support the front of our body as well, and we need them to both work together. So this one's going to require a ball. It may be like a Pilates ball that you can use. If you have a soccer ball, volleyball, a big yoga ball, you can use it, because we're just going to place it against the wall. When you're here against the wall, you're going to bring it about shoulder height. Keep a gentle bend in the elbow. You don't have to be completely straight out. Gentle bend is okay. And what we're going to start to do is we're going to make circles with the palm of our hand, moving in a clockwise direction, making your circles forward. And you're going to start to feel how we are really isolating that shoulder blade in moving in those circles. Good. So it is moving as one whole, and you're going to do about 20 of those forward, and then we're going to switch and we're going to reverse it counterclockwise, 20 backwards. So while you're doing this, really focus on engaging those abs, keeping the rest of your body still, and really working through that shoulder blade. You're gonna feel the burn. It's a good one. It's a really good one to wake up everything. That is apparently the theme of the day, waking up those shoulders. Leave a comment below. Let me know how it goes. All right, everyone, that is it. Let me know how all of this goes. I know I've been saying that through the whole video. I hope this helps you. Stay tuned. Let me know if you have any special requests for other videos on different areas of the body you'd like some guidance on. Like, subscribe, all of that fun stuff. Follow me on Instagram at Happy Bones Wellness, and I will see you next time.